Hello everybody, welcome to the lecture 6 and the ETABS and SAFE course. Now we will talk in this section about the solid slab. We want to determine the section of solid slab. Solid slab is same for flat slab, but that solid slab differ and flat slab we have and solid slab anterior beams, anterior drop beams. We can't use hidden beam and solid slab. So now we return to the presentation to determine the section of beams and the slab. The advantage of solid slab is that solid slab are efficient and seismic. For loads, we put into the ETABS software a dead load equal to 3 kN per meter square, live load equal to 2 kN per meter square, from story 5 to 16, because these stories are residential stories. Edge of slab from ACI code equal the perimeter of the A panel over 140. So we want to check if each panel and take the maximum thickness from all the panel. To summarize this panel, we return to the AutoCAD. This panel give us the maximum thickness. We note here that we multiply the non-continuous side of the panel by 0.76. So this edge of the panel is non-continuous because above this edge we don't have anything, and this panel this edge of panel is a non-continuous edge because we don't have everything. So the perimeter of the perimeter of this panel will be 570 by 1 it is the length of this edge of the panel, this edge, because it is a continued edge times 1 plus 570 times 0.76, because it is the length of this edge of the panel because it is not continued, plus 695 times 1, the length of this edge of the panel because it is continued, plus 695 times 0.76 is the length of this edge of the panel because it is non-continued edge. So the edge of the solid slab will be equal to 16 centimeter. Same of flat slab, the drop beams are equal to 3 times the edge of slab equals 3 times 16 equal 48 centimeter. So we use B 25 centimeter by 50 centimeter. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next session.